Good morning, everyone. Welcome to March 13th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, president of Invested Central. Right now, we got the Dow futures up 68, S&P futures are up 7, and NASDAQ futures are up 15. Both Asian and European shares were up nicely overnight. Futures were fairly calm ahead of Monday's open as traders entered the new week with caution. There weren't any major news stories or events to drive the market higher or lower. By the time the market closed, the Dow and S&P 500 had advanced, while the NASDAQ closed lower. Today we'll get monthly retail sales at 8:30 a.m., with the market expecting a reading of 1.0%. We'll also get the FOMC rate decision at 2:15 p.m., with no change in rates expected. Today we'll get earnings from VimpelCom Limited, with the market expecting earnings of 17 cents per share. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day at 1358, the 50-day at 1329, and the 200-day at 1259. We've got support on the S&P of 1329 and resistance 1374. Monday turned out to be a fairly quiet day, with the Dow the strongest of the major indexes while the NASDAQ lagged. Obviously, traders decided to lay low before Tuesday's retail sales and the FOMC rate decision. So, nothing much has changed, with the key being a close over 1374 in the S&P, which could then put 1400 in sight. In the meantime, should we get any selling, we imagine 1329, the 50-day moving average, should provide solid support. Here's an options alert. Options expire Friday, and in looking at options activity, we can see that max pain on the SPY lies around 132.18, or 3.8% below where the SPY closed Monday. Thus, we wouldn't be surprised to see some correction prior to Friday's expiration, meaning a lot of call premium on the SPY could evaporate. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.